You asked an AI a question last week, maybe about a supplement, maybe about a product. It gave you an answer that sounded neutral, balanced, like it had read the room and told you the truth. It didn't read the room, it read a script. Because right now, in forums, you trust the most. Companies are paying people to write posts that look human. Posts built for one reader only, not you, the machine reading over your shoulder. There is a name for it now: Answer Engine Optimization. AEO. Old SEO fought for a blue link on a search page. AEO fights for a sentence inside the AI's answer. No link to click, no ad to skip. Just a line spoken with total confidence that a company paid to plant. Here is why Reddit became the target. One analytics firm found Google's AI overviews cite Reddit in 1 out of every 5 answers. Another found that between August 2024 and the last June, Reddit was the single most cited site by the Google's AI and Perplexity, second most cited by ChatGPT. 100 subreddits, just 100, reportedly responsible for 84% of every brand mention that shows up in AI generated answers. You don't need to flood the internet anymore. You need to own the right room. And kernel researchers just proved how cheap that room is to buy. 13 words. That's the number. 13 words embedded in a single Reddit comment was found to shift what an AI recommended. In one test, a single seeded comment got a fake dating app pushed as the top pick on a dating advice forum. 13 words. That's shorter than this sentence. The account doing this aren't obvious bots. Moderator call them warmed up, real posting histories, real looking opinions for weeks, sometimes months. Then quietly the product mention, and in some cases it's not even a bot at all. It's a real person paid to post, told exactly what to say. The clearest case sits inside r/biohackers. 830,000 members, a community built on people testing supplements and hormone therapies on themselves and comparing notes. Peptide and hormone replacement companies turned it into a farm. Moderators said it plainly. As AI search increasingly pulls its answer from Reddit, companies started using the subreddit purely to be scrapped. One case moderator flagged, a thread title like an ordinary cholesterol question, complete with screenshots from a health tracking app, posted like a worried stranger asking for advice. Comments rolled in. Then the original poster quietly edited the post, add a link. Since people keep asking, this is the app I'm using. There was no one asking. There never is. The audience was never the humans replying, it was the AI indexing the thread months later. Moderators were already deleting up to 17% of everything posted in that community before they gave up and banned new peptides and hormone posts outright, pushing them into a single monitored thread a week. And this isn't a cottage industry anymore. There are marketing firms selling it in the open. One called Red Rover advertises exactly this: an army of agents publishing blog content and Reddit posts, built to win both traditional search rankings and AI citations at once. Getting a brand in their words cited by AI. Reddit's own system are now catching roughly 25,000 manipulated posts a day. 25,000 every single day, and that's just what they catch. Here is the part that should actually worry you. Reddit signed data deals with Google and OpenAI. Its own CEO has called the platform one of the most important source of training data for the AI you see every day. The company built an entire business on being the internet's most human corner. Now that same humanity is the thing being counterfeited at a scale, specifically because it's valuable. One moderator put it better than any script could. He said watching it happen felt like grief. Watching the one place on the internet that felt human slowly bury itself under content built for machines. Reddit says it's fighting back. Better detection, account verification, human review layered on automated systems. But a kernel researcher gave the honest version. Told the reporters it's genuinely hard to tell the difference between a poisoned comment and a real one. Not hard like a technical problem you patch, hard like there might not be a clean fix at all. So the next time an AI tells you what people are saying, ask yourself a harder question: who paid for that consensus to exist?